Hello, Nick from Next World. I know it's somewhat been a while since my last train review, but I am planning to review this toy. I didn't get it in the mail. I got it, I forgot where, but it's pretty good for this toy. It's the Brio Speedy Bullet Train. This train sort of resembles Connor of some sorts. Connor and this locomotive are technically the same locomotive because they're both. This one's a real life version of the Connor locomotive from Thomas the Tank Engine, and it has red wheels like the Brio classic locomotive, which you see in the background. And the same thing with the 2015 Day Out with Thomas car. They're both pretty good toys, this Brio locomotive. You got printed coal instead of normal plastic coal on your house and railway products. Since the year 1999 or 1998. For Connor, he's a New York Central J3A Hudson locomotive 484 or 468. I mean 464. I think that's what it is. This, I think, is the same wheelbase, maybe, if it's real. But anyway, this train sort of resembles the Brio classic locomotive. I got this one in Stroudsburg. This Brio classic locomotive. Same thing with this Day Out Thomas car with confetti. Yeah, lovely merchandising for the 70th anniversary. You know, you can get your 70th anniversary gift pack, and I'm planning to buy 3 Origin James. Why? Because, you know, to take out the number 5 on one of them, one keep in the package while one keep the 5. And I know it's for only 1 year, but this tender engine, or non-tender engine, if you want it to be a non-tender engine, says GPO. I don't know what that stands for. It's on both sides, and it says 1959 and 0508. Anyway, this Brio locomotive, this is my second and third Brio review. I mean, only second. Or somewhat a third one because I mentioned this. I will be doing this review in the same video. This Brio toy has also been good, so there's no flaws with both the items. To me, this sort of reminds me of like the old TWR items, even though I don't own any in my possession yet until I become a little bit older, but it may be harder and harder to find. Especially that white-faced troublesome truck. You know, the white-faced troublesome truck? Some of you long-term Thomas fans may know what I'm talking about. You know, this toy's got red wheels, but yeah. So that's my thoughts on the... Yeah, that's my shoe, but anyway. I'm going to review now the B train for my next video. The B train is my favorite, my second favorite train of all, and yeah. Now, I know it's going to be 5 minutes now, so thank you for watching, and bye for now.